Hey, what's up, guys? This is Daniel TV 9000 here again, and we're gonna make an introduction to the cats. We're gonna make an introduction to the inside house cats. We got 5 cats named Sugar, Spice, Barbara, Stubby, and Itty Bitty. But these are the inside house cats, though, and these are the first 5 cats. Maybe if we get all the outside cats grouped together, we can show an introduction to them. But I don't think we're going to make the outside cats introduction, since one of them runs away at stuff. Okay, let's go. The first cat is going to be named Sugar.
I'm gonna find you.
Come on, Sugar. Alright, guys, this is what... Alright, Sugar. Let's put you on the ground. Alright, guys. This is Sugar. The Sugar is like a picky eater. She's like a lot of playful, and she plays with like 100 tape measure. Say hi in the camera, Sugar. Okay. Now the next cat we're gonna use is Spice. Alright, Spice, let's go. Ow, ow, this kind of hurts. Guys, look at this. Alright, Spice. Alright. Okay. Alright, Spice, stay. No, come back! I'm gonna ruin my introduction. Just go somewhere. Just come. Alright, this is Spice, a bright cat that is like slightly underweight. Alright. Now here are the next 3 kitties. Alright. These 2 kitties are named Itty Bitty and Stubby. Itty Bitty and Stubby are in love with each other. Yeah, Itty Bitty is kind of a growly cat. We first got her when someone dumped her off in the truck. This is why she's so mad. And she's in love with Stubby. And she gave birth to 3 cats on July 2016. This next cat is named Stubby. Stubby is slightly overweight. Yeah. He is fat. He is black and white. He is 3.5 years old. Yeah. And the final cat named is Barbara. About 4 years old. Barbara is my favorite cat ever. She plays with the 100-foot tape measure I got for Christmas last year. And she gave birth to 4 cats on June 17th, 2016. All right, let's go back to the room. Alright, guys, well, this is it for our introduction to our indoor cats. Yeah. And this is it for Dino TV 9000. Peace out.